Right now, we're producing tanks for the New Glenn launch vehicle. We're producing barrel panels, and then those barrel panels are being friction stir welded and creating our actual tanks.
We'll build the tanks, all the plumbing in the tanks, put the domes on. All that built here in Florida comes out of this factory, so we control the materials, we control the process, we control the quality.
We have our own internal tank cleaning and test facility. It brings confidence in our schedule reliability because we're depending on ourselves, and in many cases, it's just less expensive. Once those tanks start coming in, and the tanks will take up the bulk of the height of the vehicle, then you're going to start to see the rocket come together. We're all working on building something very special, and it's going to be amazing the day this launches.